topic is complex number. Okay. Before going to the complex number, I will be explain the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay. So I am discriminate. That is nothing but suppose I am taking the roots of alpha comma beta. That is equal to minus b plus or minus under root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, and here I am taking the discriminate part, that is nothing but b is equals to b square minus 4ac. Here d is called as a discriminate. D is called as a discriminate. Here the discriminate have some types. Suppose I am taking d is greater than 0. D is greater than 0. It is considered as roots are unequal. Roots are unequal. And roots are real. Roots are real. If in case b is equals to 0. D is equals to 0 is nothing but roots are real and roots are equal. Suppose d is less than 0. D is less than 0 is nothing but what? Roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. And roots are unequal. Unequal. So, suppose I am taking the one example. Okay? And that is nothing but x square plus 4 equal to 0. Okay? And here take over this plus 4 to right side. That is x square is equals to minus 4. And remove the square. Then what will we get? Plus or minus under root over of minus 4 only na? Here 4 we can solve by root. But here minus 4 is there. So that's why we can't find this root of minus 4. That's why I am taking here I consideration. That is nothing but by using the imaginary part we can solve this real over of minus 4. Here that is x equal to plus or minus under root over of minus 4. That is nothing but I is nothing but under root over of minus 1. If you squaring on both sides, then you will be get the minus 1. Instead of minus 1, which I would like to take here, I squared. That is nothing but x equal to plus or minus under root over of I squared 4. That is equal to x equal to plus or minus 2i. This is our part. So, this consideration is called as a what? This consideration is called as a complex number. So, by using this equation, we can find the complex. That is nothing but what is the definition of complex number? Here, a, b are two real numbers. Then, ab is called as a what? Complex number. The set of all complex numbers is denoted by letter what? C. Here, c is equals to r cross r. R is nothing but real. AB, such the AB belongs to real number. Suppose the complex number is considered as complex number denoted with Z. Here what is the Z? Z is nothing but what? Z is equals to A plus IB. Here A is called as a real part and B is called as a imaginary part. That is nothing but A is called as a real and B is called as what? Imaginary part. And how can we write Z over of nothing but here imaginary real part is considered over of real of Z. We can write like this, and imaginary part of B, how can we can write? That is imaginary over of img of Z. z is equals to a plus ib only na. Here I am taking the 2 plus 3i. Okay, and here 2 plus 3i. Here 2 is the real part and 3 is the imaginary part. That is nothing but we can write real of 2 and here imaginary of 3. Is it okay? Real part already I said na, here real over of z and imaginary over of z. Here real part is 2 and imaginary part is how much? 3. Suppose here z1 is equals to z1 z2 are equal. I am writing here z1 is equals to a plus ib and z2 equal to c plus id. Suppose if you take these two are equal, then what can we can write? That is z1 equal to z2 only na? Yes or no? That is a plus ib equal to c plus id. Then here you can equate in the real part. You can equate in the real part and here you can equate in the imaginary part. That is nothing but a is equals to c and b is equals to d. Same way, taking one example here. Suppose example, I am taking 1 plus i3 and z1 equal to 1 plus i3 and z2 equal to some x plus iy. I am equating these two. What will we get? 1 is equals to x and here y is equals to how much? Y is equals to 3. Otherwise 3 is equals to y also you can write. Algebra of complex algebra. What is the algebra? Algebra is nothing but what? Addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. These properties called as the algebra of complex number. Here I am taking one addition of complex number. Addition of complex number, you have some properties. That is nothing but closure property, commutative property, associative property, existence of additive identity and existence of additive inverse. First we can see closure property. What is the closure property? That is z1 plus z2 equal to what? z1 plus z2 equal to z2 plus z1. If you see z1, what is the z1? Already you know z1 is nothing but what? A plus ib. If you add these two, again you will be get the same thing. That is z2 plus z1. And what is the commutative property? Commutative property is nothing but what? So what is the closure property? That is nothing but z1 plus z2 equal to, again you will be get the complex number. And here commutative property. What is the commutative property? z1 plus z2 equal to z2 plus z1. Okay. And next associative property. Associative property containing that is addition of 3 z1 plus z2 plus z3. If you take one bracket of 2 and here same thing will be get z1 plus z2 plus z3. You keep bracket to z2 plus z3 and you will be get the same thing here. And existence of additive identity. Additive identity is nothing but what? The complex number. Here you can add the 0 place of imaginary of 0. If you add anything to z, again what you will be get here? That is z. And next, existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse is nothing but opposite. That is nothing but z minus z is equals to 0. Is it okay? And this is the what? Addition of complex numbers. You can write that is multiplicative and subtraction and division. Okay? And here the conjugate complex number. What is the conjugate? Why we are calling as a conjugate? Conjugate is nothing but here already you know that the complex number, that is z is equals to a plus ib. And conjugate is nothing but if you taking the bar, that is called as a conjugate. And here in the imaginary part I is there na, you will be get the instead of plus and you will be get minus here. Suppose number. That is properties of conjugate numbers enti z bar whole bar. Again you will get the z. And here z plus z bar is nothing but what? 2 real part of z. Why I am getting the 2 real part is nothing but here conjugate z I am taking. Conjugate z is nothing but what? Minus ib. Here plus ib and minus ib will be get cancelled. Then you will be get the 2 over of. That is nothing but real part of z only. Okay. Next z minus z bar is nothing but 2i imaginary part. If you get cancel of these two, again thing you will be get only na. Next z into z bar, that is nothing but what? Real part of z whole square plus imaginary part of z square. Then what you will be get if you multiply these two, again you will be get the a square. I square value is how much? I square containing the minus 1 only na, that is minus over of minus plus a square plus b square. You will be get a square plus b square. And here z by z2, z1 by z2 whole conjugate is nothing but what? Z1 conjugate by z2 conjugate. And here multiply of two conjugate now, one conjugate over, that is nothing but z1 z2. And addition z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. In subtraction z1 conjugate and z2. And here multiply of these two, then what you will be get? Z1 over of Z2 plus Z3 only na, that is Z1 Z2 plus Z1 into Z3. And here Z1 into Z2 minus Z3, that is nothing but Z1 Z2 minus Z1 into Z3. If you take conjugate here, again you will be get the conjugate, that is nothing but conjugate over is nothing but Z1 bar is nothing but overall you can take the conjugate. Okay. So this is the complex number, and in remaining class we will explain